Hello folks, this is Sunday night here in the UK. It's the 12th of April, Easter Sunday. We're looking at a chart here. This is crude oil, 4-hour chart of crude oil. And you can see we came down, made a low on the 18th of March. Made a bit of a rally up and down. Then you see we made a lower low here on the 30th. Nice rally, came back down, did an ABCD to the downside. And on Friday's close you can see we've completed a head and shoulders pattern in time, a Gartley pattern, and it looks for all money like, you know, a perfect head and shoulders. The only thing that's bothering me on this is this steepness of this CD leg. If you notice, the AB leg took 12 bars to complete. This is a 4-hour chart, 12 bars to complete the AB leg. But if you notice, this CD leg has taken only 2 bars. Yes, you've got your time cycles, so I'll be a little bit concerned about that. Yeah, everything other than that, everything's pretty much spot on. So in this situation, what I like to do is to come and have a look at a bigger time frame and just see what we're looking at. Now, if you just jump across to a weekly chart for a minute or two, and you see on the weekly chart, you can see the steepness of this descent. We've dropped from $66 a barrel virtually. That's the same one on the weekly chart, but you can see on the weekly chart, and bearing in mind your bigger time frame tends to rule the roost in when you see these big volatile swings. Your weekly, your longer term time frame tends to rule the roost, okay? Tends to gaffer the lower time frames. So you can see here that we could well make that low. The head and shoulders would come in next week, and there's high probability the weekly will overrule the 4-hour that we're looking at here. So yes, it might work perfect, and crude oil takes off straight out of the gate on Monday. That's quite possible. If it might not be trading Monday, it might be. It's Easter Monday, isn't it? I know some markets, I know Forex is open. I'm not sure if some of the commodities are open. There might be. So keep an eye on this. I won't be diving in long. I'll just have it on your watch list. Yeah, it's a good chance. You might see a spike down to the 786 and then a reversal. Or you could even see, if you look at this weekly chart, it's possible for a 3 drives to a bottom pattern. Drive 1, drive 2, drive 3 next week. That'd come in something like, if we just blow it up, it should look something like this, I suppose. Drive 1, drive 2, drive 3, somewhere in that sort of area. You might get something like that next week. So that's, you know, it's just a thought. So I thought I'd bring that to your attention. So that's what I'm seeing in crude. But you see, the ABCD is absolutely spot on. But this 2 bars is a bit of a concern when you're looking at, you know, the pattern's complete. You have the Gartley, you know, but you'd like to see it. You just like to see a bit more time symmetry. If it occurred right about there, taking the same 12 bars to get there, you'd have been queuing up to buy, wouldn't you? But when you see this just two candles, you just got to sort of think, well, okay, I'll just watch this rather than dive in, you know. Yeah, you've got your 618 and everything's telling you that, you know, I mean, that is that. If that had occurred sort of in this zone, as a pattern trader, that's absolutely spot on. But when you've got to be a bit concerned when you see a swing like that. It's made a new high, right? It's taken out the high, and then it's reversed in 2 candles and taken out the low as well. So you've just got to be aware. You see, price action, you've got to, you know, price action leaves clues, folks. So and this is leaving a clue that crude oil probably wants to go lower before it reverses. So thought I'd bring that to your attention. So take care, enjoy the rest of your Easter weekend, and good luck with your trading. Bye for now.